So first of all, we are going to discuss about line. What is a line? We need to understand the definition of the line. First of all, line is a straight geometry that are made up of infinite number of points in one direction and can be extended oppositely infinitely. So first of all, line is classified into two categories. First, that is line segment, and the another one is a ray. So here we draw the lines. How lines can we draw? Am I visible? Okay. Line segment. What is line segment? We have to draw this. This is a line. This is a line. Simple line. If we draw these points, these end points, then we can say that this line is called as a line segment. It is a part of a line which have two ends. Alright? This is called a line segment. Another one we have ray. What is a ray? Similarly, we have to draw this. We can say that a ray has a starting point which we can start the ray from this point and it can be drawn to the infinite like this. So we have understood that this line is started from the point O and extended to the A. We have seen that this line does not have two end points. It has only one end point. This is the only difference between line segment and the ray. Is it clear? Okay. Say that what is the need of a line in the mathematical universe? So now we are going to write some certain operations on the lines. First of all, we are going to operations. What are the operations? First operation. First operation is the parallel lines. So the lines are said to be parallel when they do not intersect with each other, or they are parallel to the both directions infinitely. They do not intersect. Just remember one thing, they do not intersect with each other. They do not have any intersect point. So we are going to draw this. This is the first line. We can name it as A and B. This is the first line. We are going to learn parallel lines. How parallel lines can be drawn. The other line, we can name it as PQ. So these two lines are said to be parallel with itself because they do not intersect with each other at infinite also. Their nature should be parallel. Alright, the second thing. Perpendicular lines. The two lines are said to be perpendicular where the first line is intersect on the another line with forming an angle of 90 degrees. So here we go. Let's see this. how perpendicular lines can be drawn. Here we can say that this is the first line, alright, and then another line we have this. Now we can say that these two lines are perpendicular with each other by forming an angle of 90 degree. Alright, we can see that this is the angle of 90 degree. This is the representation of 90 degree angle. So these types of lines is called a perpendicular lines. They are very perpendicular to each other. Alright, the third one. Third one we have a transversal lines. A transversal line is a line which intersect two another lines with a distinct points. How we can draw this? Let's look at it. How the line can be transversal. Suppose we have a line like this. Is it visible? Okay. We have another line like this. These two lines are not perpendicular to each other. Just remember this. They intersect at something on infinity like this. Now, that was not our concern. Our concern was a line which intersects